It's G from our garage here today. I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. Today, finally, I know you guys saw my like two videos ago I showed the video of me showing my headers and going to pick them up. Well, today I got them laid out right here. Got the headers right here, got the new muffler sitting right there, and got the new exhaust tip sitting right there. So it's gonna look real dope. Can't wait to get them installed on the car. Right now we have a nice long 55-minute drive all the way to Aces Performance in Pasadena. Homie Brian over there is gonna hook it up and help us out with this install. He's gonna weld me some off-road X pipes, new mufflers, and the tips. So car is gonna sound freaking amazing. I can't wait. And we're about to get a cold start for you guys. This is gonna be the last cold start with the dumps. So last cold start with the dumps. If this is one of your first videos watching, then I do not have mufflers on the car at all. Car is right now cat deletes, X-pipe, and dumped right there. So yeah, car is dumped right there. We're about to get a cold start, and hopefully the cold start after this is gonna be with the headers. So let's get it. Not gonna miss them because, as you guys can see, it is crazy loud. So I can't wait to have these mufflers on and these headers, and it's gonna sound real crisp. Okay, so I'm about to put these in the car real quick, and then we're gonna head to Aces. It is a 55-minute drive, like I said, so about an hour. So I'll probably pick up the camera once we get there. Alright guys, so we are like 5 minutes away from the shop. First of all, I know I probably sound a little sniffled or a little congested. I woke up this morning, I was super sick, and I was like, there's no way I'm not gonna go to the shop to get my headers installed and make this video. So we're like 5 minutes away from the shop, and I'll pick up the camera once we get to the shop. So let's get it. Spot. I'll probably park it right here. That was a drive, huh?
Worst drive of the night.
The traffic started getting me a little depressed.
God.
I was like, I hope this traffic don't continue.
I was like, brother, you gotta drive back. I'm not driving.
Alright, I'll drive back. But we got my car. We got to split up to Aces. We gotta see where the owner is. So this place is dope. Alright. This place is, that's what's up. I like this place. Alright, so this is the shop. They're working on a nice Shelby right now. I think it's pretty dope. This is the shop though. This place is live. It's in a nice little, we're in Pasadena, by the way, so there's a nice VidGen chilling over there. I like the shop vibes. Looks like they're doing some exhaust on some trucks. But yeah, for sure. So a full drag pack? Would I run it? Yeah. Hell no. I probably give, oh, he got a midnight stick. Hold on, is this the midnight truck? Yo, this is the midnight truck. Oh no. It's like $1 less. Yeah, they got the midnight sticker on the top. Yeah, that's the midnight truck. What the fuck? I'm about to reverse that. I can't wait to get the headers. miss the dunk for real. I'm gonna miss them, but I'm not gonna miss them. Just cause of how crazy loud it was inside. But otherwise, look at that, bro. It looks live. It makes my car look a lot faster than it is. What's up, guys? It's G from my garage here today. It's day 2 of this video, and yesterday you guys saw I went to Ace's Performance all the way in Pasadena, so it was an hour away. I'm all the way in Houston. I'm in Katy, so it was far. Yeah, so we have an hour drive. I got the homie Gio. He's coming to pick me up again. He took me yesterday, and he's about to take me again. So right now I'm about to just wait for him. I'm just chilling outside my house, and yeah. There's that boy Gio pulling up. That boy Clutch. What's poppin', G?
Hey, I gotta turn on the music so we don't get copyrighted.
Oh, yeah. So if y'all don't know my boy Gio right here, say what's up.
What's up, bro?
It's 9 a.m., so we're looking a little rough. You know, we're not looking the best.
You looking rough.
Oh, I guess he's saying he looking good. But, so if y'all don't know, that's my boy Gio at Houston Car Pics on Instagram. And he takes some killer pictures. And if you in the Houston, Pearland area, for sure hit him up. You wanna know what the best part about it is?
What?
Them pictures free.
Free?
No charge. No
tax,
charge. He'll take some clean pictures of your car and it'll be no charge. So hit him up. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here, and y'all go check that out. So
no doubt.
Going up to the shop, it is like 5 minutes away. It's like right up there. And the car's not done yet. I don't think it's done. He hasn't messaged me, but I was like, I might as well pull up early and look at the car, because you know I miss the car. So I'll pick up the camera once I get there. So we just pulled up to the shop. I pulled around and I was like, is my car already done? But no, this ain't my car. That's 550. I thought this was my car. I was like, let me find out they put single tips on my car. But this one's clean. I got my car. She in there. It's kind of dark. You might not be able to see it. Yeah, but you can see the plate. But she's in there. But I pulled up kind of early. They just finished putting up the headers, and they're about to start welding on the new mufflers and new tips. So it's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope. They got some clean whips posted up here. There's a clean Shelby GT50. There's a Hellcat. I like this Hellcat. I love when Hellcats have quad tips. Quad tips look dope, especially on Hellcats. Like that one right there. It looks pretty live. Should be like an hour till they're done. But yeah, they're bringing it back up again. She's looking good though. Man, they really do work on all types of cars. It's dope. I like it. I don't even know what that is. But that looks like they're getting started. On my left, there's another 18 right there on B locks. I think it's probably fast. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, chilling right there. So apparently, I didn't even know they had a dyno here. They got a dyno here, and look at what is strapped to the dyno. They got a big old GMC Yukon. This thing is boosted. It's actually supercharged, yeah, so it's boosted, and I'm gonna guess it probably has like headers or something. But we're gonna hear this thing. I'm trying to hear that supercharger, because it was driving around and I was like, bro, that thing is supercharged, I think. But I can't believe they better do a dyno pull on this. That's a whole mom van. That's a whole SUV over there. That's crazy. He's almost done, but you can see the car looks freaking dope with the tips and the exhaust. I'm so excited to hear what it sounds like. It's gonna be dope. So they just finished. My car is sitting right there. Moment of truth. I'm kind of shaking because like I'm so excited. This is gonna sound crazy. Here's the moment of truth, boys. He's about to turn on, header's done, mufflers installed, tips are on, car looks freaking dope. And we're about to hear it right now. Oh man, I'm excited. I am freaking excited. Oh man. Oh snap. He's about to... Okay, it sounds good. It sounds good. It sounds good. It sounds good. shit sounds dope, man. Shit sounds good. It sounds pretty dope. That shit sounds wild, man. Guys, it actually sounds freaking insane. Like, oh my god. I'm in love, bro. How it sound?
Well, yeah, it sounds good.
It sounds live, bro. I love it.
We're driving.
Ooh. I know, I love it. Sounds great. Alright guys, here's the car. It looks amazing, it sounds amazing. I'm so satisfied with this install, it's not even funny. Like, I'm so happy. It sounds great, it's pulling hard. Car is pulling real good, I'm not gonna lie. So everything went successful. So yeah, that's how the tips look. It looks pretty clean. And then that's how the exhaust looks in the bottom. No more dumps. Got some mufflers on there. And everything looks nice and dope.